Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you guys can tell from the title, I will be creating tie-dye shirt. This is one of the really nice tie-dye shirts that I created. If you want to see more, stay tuned. So the kit that we got it from Michael's, and it comes with rubber bands and gloves, which is super convenient and very helpful. It comes in 5 shades of colors, and on the back it just has directions and different designs we could try. I decided to do 2 designs, which were the lines design and the swirly design. For the swirly design, all you have to do is pinch the middle of your shirt and twist it until it's in this Cinnabon sort of shape. One of the hardest parts for me of tie-dyeing is putting the rubber bands around the shirt because it's in this big ball that makes it super hard to put the rubber bands on. Now I will be moving on to my next tie-dye shirt, which is going to be the lines design. Now all I'm doing is tucking in the sleeves and rolling it. So I soon figured out that this is not the way you do it. You are supposed to tuck in the sleeves and pinch it together, but it still came out really good at the end, even though I did it the wrong way. Now all I'm doing is rubber banding the shirt. I wanted the lines to be closer than the other t-shirts that I've seen. So all I'm doing is just moving the rubber bands a little bit closer to each other and using more. Please excuse my baby brother's toys, but all I did with the t-shirts is take them, put them under water and wet them, then squeeze it out without trying to interrupt the rubber bands because we're going to need the rubber bands in order to dye the t-shirts. For the line design, I decided to take the darker color and put it on one side of each of the rubber bands. And a tip to getting the color really in the t-shirt, all you're going to have to do is put it in one of the cracks and just squeeze slowly. Do not squeeze too fast because the coloring will come out of the t-shirt and it'll be a hot mess. Now I am taking the lighter color and putting it on the other side of the rubber band. And I'm doing just the same thing, making sure the color really gets in there. And after you're done with that side, all you're going to do is nicely flip it over and do the exact same thing just on the other side. Now that you're done coloring the t-shirt, all you're going to do is take some plastic wrap, put it down, take your t-shirt carefully, put it on there, and wrap it up. Moving on to the swirly design, I decided to use blue and purple. So all I did was put blue in every other triangle, then filled it in later with purple. Now, since this shirt is very thick, you're going to want to put it in some of the cracks and squeeze it slowly. But don't worry, after this, you're going to flip it over and color the other side. Now that I have colored both sides and I finished both of my tie-dye shirts, I'm just going to wrap this one in saran wrap and then I'm going to leave it overnight. Now, it is officially the next day. All I'm doing to my shirts are taking out the rubber bands and rinsing it out until the water is crystal clear. The picture coming up is how it came out. I am super happy with the finished product. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. Please show them your tie-dye shirt. Okay. I also made other tie-dye shirts with Mom, and we also made Blaze a tie-dye shirt. Do you like it, Blaze? Blaze loves his tie-dye shirt. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!